So what's up, my people? So boys, we can get once again with another update on this particular AC NFT, which is the first NFT product update I've ever shared on my account. And today I'm gonna show you guys the improvements I've made so far. Remember the last time I made a video about this thing, I showed you guys I purchased an NFT that is worth $9, and now look at my account. So in today's video, I'm gonna do a live video for those of you that doesn't know about it, or those of you that are still in doubt about this particular NFT product. Let's dive into the main video of the day. So first of all, in the introduction, SCN is a company that if you click on this place, that can take you to their information. SCN is a company that publish NFT products. That's over here. Introduction to SCN. You can read it by yourself after you have signed up with the link in the description. It's a company that publish NFTs, and people purchase the NFT to be getting around 1.9 to 2.2% of the actual amount of money used to buy the NFT, or the actual amount of money the NFT is worth daily. So the more the day grows, the more the price increases. So you can see that they partner with Binance, OKX, MetaMask, and Huobi. You can check out you can do your own research about it. So this is how NFT you can sign up with the link in the description and check it out by yourselves. So if you go over to market now, you see that there are lots of NFTs here, and this is a long-term platform. This is not something that just came out yesterday and is about to run. As you can see, every day is pumping out with its own. This particular one is pumping out with 2.11%. Every day this particular one is pumping out with 2.02%, and every other thing is in between. This one was launched with the price of $9.99, and today now is $10.19. About below an hour ago now, by 3 p.m. Nigerian time, it's already 2.08 p.m. By 3 p.m. Nigerian time, it's gonna pump out again with 0.02%. The same thing goes with these ones, and go so on and so forth. There are a lot of ones, and most of them have been sold out. So there are a lot of ones that are still about to launch, which means that you don't need to miss this particular platform. This particular one is going to launch by 15th of next month, 15th of February 2024. Sorry, 15th of February. So they still have a lot of ones that to be launched. This one is the ones that we are going to launch in 2024. So, but we still have the ones that is still going to need to launch by 2023. So this one is 11th. Let's go over to the ones that are still gonna launch this month, or the ones that are gonna launch next month. So let's go, just scroll down a bit. This one is 9. So look at over these ones. These ones were launched by 30th of January this year, and the leftover is 0. The amount that was published was $299, and it was published at $9.99. And today the price is now $16.22. Do you see how it works? And the leftover is 0, as in a lot of people have bought it. The same thing goes to this one called Police Cat. It was also launched at $9.99, but now the price is $13.72, and there is no leftover. People have bought it, and there's no leftover for it. So this one is the one that I'm currently holding. It was also launched at the price of $9.99, going up with $1.98 every month, and the current price is $13.17. Let me go over to my account now to show it to you. I'm not just saying. If you click on this page that says my collection now, see what I'm saying. I bought this thing at $9.99, and now today is $13.17. I'm still waiting for 3 p.m. to hit, and the price will go up with 1.98% again, and I can easily sell or buy. As you can see, there is no you don't have any quantity. I only bought one piece of it. So that is how this particular NFT works. So how do you do it? First of all, if you sign up in the link in the description, you need to verify by your real name. If you click on this place, you see that I'm already verified. My account is showing verified by your name. If you sign up, if you're a new user, your account is not going to be showing anything. And also you need to add your Google verification key there. As you can see, I've binded my own successfully. You can watch the video in the first comment of this video for full video on how to bind your wallet, verify your account, and bind your wallet address verify account, that is kind of doing your KYC, adding Google authenticator key, and then verifying your wallet address, which is the 3 major security guidance you need to do to your account, so that nobody can hack your account. Your account can be only accessed by you and by your phone. So once you're done with it, you are good to go. How do you deposit? All you need to do is to click on this place that says recharge, and then enter the amount that you want to recharge. Click on maybe you want to buy the one of $9.90, or you want to buy the bigger one. All you have to do is to just type the amount of USDT you want to deposit, and then click on choose currency, which is TRC20. Then click on payments. If you click on payments, it's gonna give you the wallet address or QR code you need to deposit with. Once you're done depositing and your blockchain confirmed it, just give it some seconds, it's gonna appear on your account instantly. So once you're done depositing, how do you buy an NFT? Click on this place that says market, and then go to trading market to see the ones that are ready to be traded. As you can see, there are a lot of ones that are ready to be traded here. This one is the one that I'm currently using, and the leftover is still 17. You still have the chance to buy it, and it will keep increasing for you daily. You can also choose to buy all these ones. Look at them, they have a lot of NFTs here. They have a lot of ones that are still below $20 here. You can still buy it, or you can still wait for other ones to launch, and everything in between about it. So you can still go down below to see the ones that still have the price that is convenient for you, or you can still wait for them to publish these ones over here. Sorry for the loading. So you can still wait for them to publish these ones over here. This one that is about to publish. This one's over here that is about to publish. So it's still your choice. As you can see, these ones that was launched with the $88 price, and now it's $222.33. This crowd work. So the platform is working very, very fine. We're still, after 45 minutes, 16 seconds or some seconds now, the price is gonna update again with the amount of increment in percent that was given to each and every of the NFT. There was a time that I bought this one and I still sold it below $20 before I bought the one that I'm currently using. So that is how this platform works. So before continuing this video, let me go ahead and show you guys how much I've made so far, how much I've withdrawn so far. If you go over to my withdrawal details here, you see that I've withdrawn around $22, $15 and $6.1. There's no charges for withdrawal. The charges is only when you want to sell your NFT. They will take out 5% from it. Let's wait till 3 p.m. for me to continue this video and show you guys how the price increases. So as for now, let's wait till 3 p.m. So it's already 19 minutes past 3 p.m. Nigerian time, and I went back to my account, and as you can see now, my account just my account balance just increased from $20.80 to $21.16. And if you go over to my collections here, the NFT that I bought, you see that the price have already increased. Now I can easily sell this thing or wait for it to keep increasing money for me. My target for this NFT is $20. Once it is $20 or $20.50 or 20 cents or whatsoever, I'm gonna sell it out and buy another lesser amount of NFT. And this is how these NFTs keep on doing. And maybe in case you want to sell an NFT, although in the video description I made a live deposit, a live withdrawal, and every other thing in the video. So if you want to sell it, all you have to do is to click on this place that says sell, and it's gonna ask you how much you want to sell. Just click on this place that says this particular place that says how much. Just click on one piece, and it's gonna give you everything in between. So you want to sell this particular one trader card and exchange in USDT, it's gonna be $12.75. So remember I told you guys that they're gonna take out 5% as a creator fee. So once you click on sell, it's gonna do it a bit, and then the money is gonna come back to your account, and you can withdraw it anytime, any day. You can sell off your NFT anytime, any day, but I would like you to at least keep it for around 2 weeks, so that the revenue is gonna be massive, and then after selling it and they take out their creator fee, you get your own. So in more ways to earn from it, if you go over to this place that says sign in now, click on it, and you see I didn't even sign in yesterday, so I'm about to sign in now. Click on it, and you see that if you sign it for consecutive 25 days, they're gonna reward you with 5 USDT every 26 days that you sign in to your account. They're gonna reward you with 26 USDT. Sorry, with 5 USDT every 26 days you sign in. They're gonna reward you with 6 USDT as a reward for signing in to this particular update, 5 USDT actually. So all I have to do is to click on check-in now, and as you can see, I have check-in for the day. As you can see now, I've checked in for the day. So I've scanned it. This is it. So if you go over to my account now, more ways of earning is by referral. So how do you refer? Click on this place that says invite here, and then they are gonna give you your referral link. And let me show you guys what I've earned so far from referral. If you go over to this particular place now, they say reward it. So you see that I earn, I keep on earning from anybody that deposits to the platform and buy NFT. So that is it. So it's just the referral bonus is not that much, but at least it's something. So check the details, you see it. This one is today. Someone deposited $10.18 today, and I earn only 10 cents from it. So that is how the thing works. The referral bonus is good, but it's not that massive. But at least it's very, very good, and the platform is a long-term platform. There's nothing to fear about it. So you can still take out your money anytime, any day. So for now, I'm gonna do a live withdrawal. So how do you withdraw? Click on this place here. Remember, minimum withdrawal is 5 USDT. So and balance I have here is $7. Apart from my NFT money, because I've not sold my NFT money. So my NFT, the money my NFT is still there. So this one is just from referral bonus and other things that I normally do. So all I have to do now is to select the currency type and click on USDT. I've bind my wallet address already. I remember, if you don't know how to bind your wallet address, watch the video in the description of this video for more details on it. And now I have to enter the amount of USDT that I want to withdraw. So since I'm having 7 USDT here, I'm gonna select 7.7 USDT, 7.7 USDT. And remember, I told you guys that there is no withdrawal fee. So if you click on this place that says withdrawal now, withdrawal, they are gonna ask me for Google verification code. Remember, I told you guys to bind your account with Google authenticator code. So I'm gonna go ahead to my authenticator app now and get this Google authenticator code. So I've gotten the code, and if I click on this place that says okay, now as you can see now the withdrawal is successful, and their withdrawal is almost instantly. So if I go over to this particular place now, you see that my balance just decreased from $21.11 to $13.46. So if you go over to my withdrawal details now, you see that this withdrawal is now successful, have been completed. So let me go over to my balance, my account, to know if the withdrawal was actually completed. So as you can see, just like I told you guys, the withdrawal was successful. Look at it over here, $7.07. That is what I withdraw today, and it is by 3:24 p.m. That is a minute ago, and the thing was completed. So this is how to do it, and this is how to make money from this NFT platform. And I hope you guys got value from this video. Please don't waste time. Join this particular platform now and start earning like Zubi King is earning. This is the end of this video, guys. See you guys on my next video. Bye.